Welcome back to another Craftify tutorial. Today we're going to finish the last of our business crafts. So we're going to come into our business area and click New Craft. And from here we're going to go down to Logo Idea. Now we call it Logo Idea because this is a moment for you to find inspiration using AI. It's not that this will generate a perfect logo for you, but it'll help you get an idea based off of the information you've already plugged into Craftify. So let's click Craft. From here, we can choose whether we would allow text or to not allow text. For this, we'll just keep it this way here, and we'll click Add Image. Now, Craftify is already generating us a prompt. You can see in just under a couple seconds, it writes a nice prompt, and it gives a lot of information based off of what Craftify knows about our business. Now, if you want to make a new prompt, you can do so here by choosing to click this little light bulb here. Otherwise, if you like this prompt, you can click Craft. We're going to let AI read that information and draw us up a nice logo idea. So just in a couple of seconds, it's given us a really cute look. It's also using colors that we're interested in that make sense for our business. I love it. So from this point, you can either choose to add this image to your assets, so later on you can save it for later. And you can also edit image if you'd like. By choosing edit image means you can come in here and you can add more information to modify your image. So let's just say, make the background light blue. And we'll see how Craftify can then edit that image and give us a different look at what we're trying to make. Updating the background, and there we go. We've got a blue background. So using the AI can give you just a really good idea of what you'd like. From here, you can either add this to your assets. You can also just download this image as an original directly to your desktop. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click Add Image. We're going to add this image into our library, and we're going to see here to the original, and of course also a square version. You can also zoom in. You can edit an image and zoom in to crop it, okay, to move and scale. I'm going to update that one image. And now we've got a cropped version. And now we're going to go ahead and click Done. We'll have our results here, and you can always come in and make more ideas on different types of logos. This is a great way to get an idea started. You can send these off to your designers and they can start to get inspiration on how to make your logo. So, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and stay tuned for the next Craftify tutorial.